Hello friends, welcome back to Pritha Genesis channel. Welcome to another Paint With Me video series. This is a painting which I am doing in gouache colors. This is a blue door painting, and if you can see, before starting the painting I am inking the color with micron pen so that I will get my clean edges properly. And I will be doing the black color, like keeping the black color inside also, so it would be easy for me to do the painting and everything. For micron pens I have done already a part of review and I'm using it very extensively, so you can see it like another places also. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. This is part of the daily painting challenge which I am doing nowadays. This painting challenge I'm doing because on occasion of completing 1 year of my YouTube channel Pritha Genesis, and I'm with you guys, and you guys are staying with me for past 1 year, so thank you for that and congratulations for all of us. If you're new to my channel and you don't know about it, I'm doing daily art pieces. So daily art pieces are on different mediums. I have been doing it on soft pastel, oil pastel, watercolor, gouache color and acrylic colors, and some are related to the mixed media, like I'm using 2 different mediums and combining them and creating the art pieces. So based on your choice, you can go ahead and check the playlist also, or individual videos. So hopefully you will like this. If that's so, let me know in the comment section below. Also you can let me know that what kind of playlist you are liking more. I will entertain that in future, like after the 1 month of daily challenge is completed, and do share your thoughts on same, and hopefully you are enjoying the video. If you are not a subscriber, then please subscribe to my channel. I have already completed 1 year and I'm here to stay and keep you engaged in these kind of art painting, art related videos. So, and the people who are already my subscriber, thank you very much for being there with me and supporting me and motivating me on every step. So enjoy, this is a celebration of that, and hopefully you are enjoying all these videos, and thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us again.